This video contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. College move-in is exciting, but turning one small room into a bedroom, study space, closet, and snack station can feel overwhelming. These 15 helpful finds can make a dorm room more comfortable, organized, and practical from the first day on campus. Let's begin with sleep and comfort, the small upgrades that can make a basic dorm room feel much more restful and livable. First is a twin XL mattress topper. Dorm mattresses are rarely known for being comfortable, so a supportive topper can make a noticeable difference. This one adds cushioning while helping create a more comfortable place to sleep after a long day of classes. Next is a twin XL sheet set. Most college dorm beds require this longer size, so ordinary twin sheets usually won't fit correctly. A complete set makes move-in easier and gives the room a comfortable, coordinated look from the very first night. Small shared rooms can start to feel stuffy surprisingly quickly. A compact air purifier takes up very little space while helping the room feel fresher and more comfortable for sleeping, studying, or simply relaxing. A quiet desk fan can make a big difference when a dorm room feels warm or the airflow is limited. Its compact size works on a desk, shelf, or nightstand, and the remote makes nighttime adjustments much easier. Next are storage and organization finds that help students make better use of limited floor, closet, and underbed space. These large zippered moving bags hold clothes, bedding, towels, shoes, and plenty of move-in supplies without the bulk of cardboard boxes. The handles make them easier to carry, and they can be reused for storage or trips home between semesters. Adjustable bed risers create extra storage without taking up any additional floor space. That new space beneath the bed can hold bins, shoes, laundry supplies, seasonal clothes, or the things students don't need every day. Rolling underbed containers make that newly created storage space much easier to use. The wheels help students reach clothes, shoes, snacks, towels, or extra supplies without dragging heavy bins across a small room. A 3-tier rolling cart is one of the most flexible pieces of dorm storage. It can hold snacks beside the bed, school supplies near the desk, toiletries by the door, or cleaning products in a convenient corner, and move whenever the setup changes. Dorm closets rarely offer enough hanging space. These cascading hangers let several garments use the vertical space of one hanger, helping jackets, hoodies, pants, and everyday outfits fit without turning the closet into a crowded mess. Now let's make the study area more useful with flexible workspace, better lighting, and enough places to keep every device charged. A foldable laptop desk creates another place to study when the main desk is crowded or shared. It works from the bed, floor, or dorm chair for writing, watching lectures, or using a laptop, then folds away when it isn't needed. This desk lamp solves 2 dorm room problems at once. It brightens the study area while adding convenient outlets for phones, tablets, laptops, and other small devices, especially helpful when wall outlets are limited or awkwardly placed. With laptops, phones, lamps, watches, and other electronics competing for power, a large power strip can become the room's charging hub. 12 outlets and 4 USB ports make it easier for roommates to keep everything connected in one organized spot. Finally, these everyday helpers make laundry trips, shared bathrooms, snacks, and busy campus routines a little more convenient. A laundry backpack is much easier to manage than a bulky basket when the laundry room is down the hall, downstairs, or across the building. It keeps clothes and supplies together while leaving both hands free for doors, elevators, or stairs. For a shared bathroom, a roomy mesh shower caddy keeps shampoo, soap, skincare, razors, and other necessities together. The separate pockets make items easier to find, and the breathable mesh allows the caddy to dry between trips. A compact mini fridge keeps drinks, snacks, skincare, or small food items close by without overwhelming a tight room. It's especially convenient for late-night studying, rushed mornings, and shared spaces where a full-size refrigerator isn't nearby. If you'd like a closer look at any of these dorm room finds, the complete collection is linked in the description. You'll find more details and easy links to everything shown. Thanks for watching Pamela's Best Finds, and subscribe for more helpful finds for home, travel, gift giving, and everyday life.